Lesson 1. Introduction to Motocross. What is motocross? Motocross is a type of motorcycle sport where riders compete on motorcycles across rough terrain. Tracks include natural and artificial obstacles like hills, jumps, and turns. Types of motocross bikes. Overview: beginner bikes. 125, 250cc, easy to handle, good for learning basics. Professional bikes, 250, 450cc, more power for experienced riders. Kids and teen bikes, smaller engines from 50cc for young beginners. Essential equipment: helmet, protects the head. Goggles, protects eyes from dirt and wind. Gloves, protects hands, improves grip. Protective clothing: jacket, pants, elbow and knee pads. Protective vest, protects body from impacts. Motocross boots, protects legs and feet. These informations will give you a solid understanding of motocross and prepare them for future lessons.